What's up, YouTubers? Today I'm going to show you how to remove edging from melamine cupboards. Oftentimes your edging can become discolored and tatty. Sometimes it gets hooked just from age and wear and tear, and then the cupboard looks ugly, and you can save a lot of money making cupboards look great just by changing the edging. So all you need is a heat gun, sometimes a hairdryer can work, and a scraper. And what's normally a good idea is to let the heat gun run for a few seconds just to get warm, and then all you do is you warm the edging up, you release it with a scraper, and you just keep warming, and the edging will come away quite effortlessly. I'm just letting the gun warm up. Check it's not getting loose yet. It's starting to get loose. The gun's still a bit cold. They're nice and hot now. Of course, you want to be careful not to burn your hands. So there you go, now you can see the glue is melting. Now you can just keep heating and pulling. If you go too fast like that, you'll see the paper backing will stay behind. You can just stop, just reheat there for a few seconds, and then off you go again. Cool, that easy.